Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your network with Meetup, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your goals for networking with Meetup. Consider what type of connections you want to make. Research local meetups relevant to your interests or industry. Visit the Meetup website or app to explore different groups. Use the search feature to find events that align with your goals. Join relevant groups that resonate with your interests. Attend the first few events, even if you're feeling hesitant. Prepare a brief introduction about yourself to share with others. Engage in conversations and ask questions to get to know attendees. Follow up with individuals you connect with after the event. Consider hosting your own meetup to create valuable connections. Plan your event with a clear agenda to attract attendees. Promote your event across social media and within your networks. Encourage participants to engage and share their experience. Make it a point to collect contact information from attendees. Follow up with personalized messages after your event. Ask for feedback to improve future meetups you organize. Continue attending and hosting events regularly to keep growing your network. Keep an open mind and explore diverse groups outside your usual circles. Be authentic in your interactions to foster genuine connections. Document your experiences and connections for future references. Stay consistent in nurturing your network through regular communication. Evaluate and refine your approach based on your networking outcomes. Remember that building a network takes time and persistence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.